If you want a dedicated YouTube filming setup, but you're on a budget, you're in luck because this kit that you see right here only costs $250 and includes a dedicated camera, tripod, 2-point lighting system, and even a wireless audio solution. And when you put it all together, the results are honestly pretty impressive. Now, starting with the camera, we went with the Hollyland Lyra for this build. It's one of the most affordable cameras that you can purchase, and it technically is a web camera, but you can use it for all sorts of talking head kind of shots like this. Now, it's not one that you can like take out into the world and start vlogging with. It does need to be connected to your computer, but so long as you do talking head style videos at your workstation, this camera will work perfect. It does come with a mount that can clip on directly to your computer monitor, but you can also mount this to a tripod if you want to use it like a more traditional camera. This camera has a USB-C output, so you just plug a USB-C cable directly into your computer and now pull up your recording software of choice. I like OBS or QuickTime, or you can even use their Holly Studio app to record, which we'll talk about in just a minute, but just choose whatever software you prefer to do your recording. One of my favorite things about the Lyra is just the image quality straight out of the box. It looks really good. It looks so much better than whatever built-in webcam you already have, and I think it rivals a lot of smartphone cameras as well. I've even done some side-by-side testing with super expensive mirrorless cameras against the Lyra. Side by side, the Lyra holds up really well against some of these more expensive cameras. The Lyra can record in 4K resolution up to 30 frames per second, so that'll be great for flexibility and really sharp 4K images. The lens is also an f1.8 aperture, so that means you're going to be able to get a little bit of background separation when you're recording with the Lyra, but also it's going to be better in lower light situations. If you don't have a lot of nice lighting in your studio, the Lyra is going to perform pretty well in lower light conditions. Now, this is the software that comes with the Lyra that you can use to adjust all of your camera settings. Things like your ISO and your white balance and contrast, even your shutter speed you can adjust right here. So that's great. There's no physical controls on the Lyra to control settings, but you can do all of this with the Holly Studio app. And actually recently with a firmware update, they've adjusted a lot of additional settings that you can add, including things like filters where you could adjust some of your specific colors. Like if you wanted to adjust the blues or even the skin tones right here, I can change the color temperature of my skin tones, give me a nice saturated tan. Look at this. It looks like I've been laying in the sun for weeks at a time with this nice tan. And then you can also like increase the exposure or darken the skin tones if it was maybe too bright on your scene. This is also where you can adjust your focal length if you wanted a tighter shot or a wider shot. Also, you can enable smart framing right here. So I can adjust that and turn it on so that now wherever I move, the camera's going to use software to track me around. If I move forward and back, left to right, it's going to try to recompose the shot to keep me in the center of the frame, which is nice if you want to move around for kind of instructional purposes. They've also added some beauty features here that you can enable if you want to brighten up your skin tones a little bit, or maybe do some smoothing of your skin. This is 100% intensity. Does my skin just look so smooth now? Has it kind of taken the edge off, the gruff, the grit of the beard? Okay, so you can use these beauty effects if you want, as well as green screen they've now added to the software if you want to like key out a green screen. Now I have a green jacket on, so it's sensing that right now and it looks kind of wild, but you could actually set up a green screen or a blue screen and enable real-time keying of a green or blue screen while you're recording podcasts or interviews or live streams. Overall, the Lyra is one of my favorite beginner or even professional options for creators who want to record content at a dedicated workstation in their home office or YouTube studio. I think this is a fantastic entry point for only 150 bucks. Now let's talk about audio really quickly, because this is one of my favorite features of the Lyra. The Lyra actually has a built-in audio receiver that works with the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless microphone. And that's the audio that I'm using for this video. I've actually rigged it up inside of this little wireless mic handle. And this mic handle is only like a $15 accessory you can add to this kit. And it still is within the $250 price for this video. So if you want like wireless handheld audio like this, you can even grab a windscreen, and this kit that I've included comes with some different windscreens, and we have like a custom Think Media one that I like to use here. But when you put a wireless mic closer to your mouth, that's typically when you're going to get the best sounding audio, and I think the audio sounds great for this video today. Now, of course, you can attach this directly to your shirt if you'd prefer to have that kind of style where the mic is clipped onto your shirt. If you want to add a solo Lark A1 transmitter to your kit, it only adds $10 to the overall cost to the Lyra setup. So I think it's kind of a no-brainer. Might as well just pay that extra $10 to get a wireless audio solution. Now, the next thing we'll talk about is lighting. Lighting is one of the most important pieces to getting better video results, because anytime you're using a camera, whether it's the Lyra or a smartphone or a professional mirrorless camera, the more light that you have in your scene to work with, the better your image results are always going to be. And what's great is you don't have to break the bank to still get some pretty good quality lights. So today we're using this 2-pack of LED lights from NiceVD. These are a bi-color light. They actually have like 3 or 4 different lighting options, a little bit warmer to a little bit cooler, and I put it like right in the middle, more of a daylight color temperature for today's video. And they also have different intensity levels that you can adjust up or down depending on how bright you want your scene to be. Now, the way I've positioned these lights today is one of the lights is about an arm's length away from me, acting as my key light. I positioned it just at about a 45-degree angle away from my face, and it's about 50% power. If I turn up the brightness too much, it gets a little bit bright and spotty, which is not the most pleasing look. So if you can keep the power down just a little bit and get that light as close to you as you can, that'll make the light a little bit softer. And the second light I placed just out of frame right here, and it's sort of acting as like a fill light on this side of my face and sort of like a backlight kicker, creating like an edge light right around my chin. And I think it just adds a nice touch. This lighting kit also comes with these 2 different light stands so you can mount the lights. So that's great. You don't have to increase your cost for this setup and purchase additional light stands. They actually come with the kit. And the last accessory I added to this build is this smartphone tripod from SmallRig, and you can use it for both smartphones. If you decided not to use a Lyra, you could use a smartphone for this build, but you can also mount traditional cameras and webcams with this tripod because it comes with a tiltable 1/4-inch mount. So that'll work perfect with the Hollyland Lyra. So that's this entire YouTube studio kit that only costs $250. It can be used for live streaming, podcasting, video calls, or talking head style YouTube videos just like this one. Now, if you want to check out some other super budget accessories that I use in all of my YouTube videos, you can click or tap the screen right here to watch that video, and I'll see you in the next one.